move a fold with a hand change, starting with a hustle whip. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And then from the other side, so if we start with the sugar push, that's okay too. We get a connection, both hands, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. All right, thank you guys very much. I really appreciate everybody doing my class as always. The only announcement is, I think right now the club is open Tuesday night. They've got a New Year's Eve party here, so you guys can all come out here for New Year's Eve festivities. And I will see you Wednesday, which is New Year's Day. The club will be open. I will be here, and we'll be doing Tuesday. All right, Robert, it's all yours. Thank you, Gail. Wes